Cari colleghi,
Dear colleagues, a few weeks ago, Europe witnessed floods in Italy which brought Emilia-Romagna to its knees. At least 15 people lost their lives, and more than 30,000 people were forced to leave their homes. The same amount of rain that normally falls in 7 months fell in a 2-week time period, causing 23 rivers to burst their banks throughout the region. In that area, 400 landslides took place and 100 communes were flooded. There's extremely serious damage to housing, to agriculture, to industry and to infrastructure. But the worst of times bring out the best of people. We saw the emergency workers risking everything for people they had never met. We saw neighbours helping each other out. The European Union has activated its civil protection mechanism. Italy will be asking for the activation of the EU Solidarity Fund. Our response will continue to be and will be always a stronger one. And I want to say to the people of Emilia-Romagna once more, we're with you, we will be with you, and we will help you to rebuild, because you are Europe, and Europe is with you. Dear colleagues, can we observe 1 minute of silence to recall the victims of this tragedy?